Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be talking about one of the most powerful tools for financial success, budgeting and financial planning. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your Shopify store, having a plan for your money ensures stability and growth. In Proverbs, it says the plans of the diligent certainly leads to profit, but anyone who is reckless certainly becomes poor. So budgeting is all about being diligent, taking control of your finances instead of letting them control you. Let's get started. My name is Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA, a certified Profit First professional, and a business coach. And I started Curtis Accounting Solutions to remove the stress of doing the bookkeeping, payroll, and taxes, and to provide some practical business advice that helps Shopify stores piece together financial freedom. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions on today's episode, so please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, follow, subscribe, all those good things. Okay, so let's dive in. A well-structured budget keeps your business on track. It ensures you're making money and prevents any kind of cash flow disaster. A budget lets you allocate funds for growth, emergencies, and paying yourself. So you aren't just running your business, you're actually becoming profitable from it. Now, Profit First is a game changer with financial planning and cash flow. Instead of the traditional method, thinking of revenue minus expenses equals profit, kind of switch that and we say revenue minus profit equals expenses. As an example, a budget might be that if you're bringing in $40,000 a month, you would allocate 50% or whatever your profit margin is, or in this case, our example, 50% or $20,000 to buy inventory, 2.5% or $1,000 for profit, 25% or $10,000 for owner's pay, 7.5% or $3,000 for taxes, and the remaining 15% or $6,000 for your operating expenses. By prioritizing your profit, owner's pay, and other things, you can ensure some longevity and some financial stability. Now, Shopify sellers often experience some seasonal fluctuations like revenue spikes during the holidays and slower summer months. And so planning ahead for those is key. For example, if your usual slower months is $40,000, but it jumps to $80,000 in the months of November, December, you're going to want to allocate more of those busier months as reserves to help bolster and ensure a smooth cash flow during the slower months of the year. An annual budget is your roadmap for the year. It's your plan for the year. Start by estimating your revenue based on past trends, outline your fixed expenses like rent and subscriptions, and then also calculate and figure out what your variable expenses are like advertising and inventory costs. Factor in growth investments like hiring, new product lines, or marketing, and always include profit first in your plans. Now, a budget only works if you track it. So set a schedule to compare your budget numbers with your actual results. If you planned $6,000 for operating expenses but ended up spending $7,500, investigate why and adjust accordingly. Maybe your ad costs increase or there was an unexpected expense that popped up. Budgeting is dynamic. It's not just set it and forget it. You need to look at your budget and change it as the business environment evolves. As your business changes and as you go throughout the year, you need to make some decisions and change that plan as well. So financial freedom starts with intentional planning. Budgeting helps you control your money instead of it controlling you. And by using that profit first, preparing for seasonal changes, and tracking your actual results, you can set up your business for some long-term success. Remember, Proverbs says, the plans of the diligent certainly lead to profit, but anyone who is reckless certainly becomes poor. So be diligent, plan ahead, and watch your business thrive. If you have questions or comments or need assistance with managing your company's finances, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you piece together that financial freedom. You can schedule a call with me by scanning the QR code on the screen or clicking the first URL pinned comment below. It's also there on the screen for you. Remember to follow me, Jacob Curtis CPA and Curtis Accounting Solutions on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.